Seth, look. Look, it's in there. Oh, what did June get for Seth? Let's see. Oh, come on here. Look, what is that? Get up. Come on. Ooh.
What are you doing? Come here. Come get your present. Seth.
He just wants the camera. Oh my goodness. Seth. Come on, look.
Come on, maybe it's a camera in there.
Yeah, you might have a camera. Oh, wow. What is in there? Oh, what an awesome present. What is that? Aww. Say thank you, Junie.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, wow.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool. Oh, he wants that. Awesome.
That's so cute.
Yay, nice. Oh, look at that, Seth.
Now it's the level. It's back to the next level.
Good job, buddy.
I did things this time. I know how to fish now.
That's pretty cool. That was a nice present.
Yes. Thank you, Eva. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Asia. And thank you, Junebug.